What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we are baking banana cake today. Yay! This was so moist and delicious. Before we get started, let me welcome you all to my channel. This is your passionate food lover and you're most welcome. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. Thank you. So for this recipe, we are going to need about a little bit to 1 cup of margarine or 200 grams of margarine, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, and then we are just going to give this a mix around. Please do well to check out my channel for more content. I'm just going to link my videos up for you guys so you can just hit on that button up there. Okay guys, I want to know the difference, or if there is, let me know in the comment section. Is it banana bread or banana cake? Because sometimes I see people saying banana cake, sometimes I see people say banana bread. So let me know in the comment section below what you think the actual name is. Anyways, I'm going ahead to add 2 large eggs into my butter and then give it a mix around till everything is well incorporated. Then I'm going to stop. After everything is well incorporated, it's time for me to stop. You do not need to overmix this, and I should point out that you can use a hand whisk, yes, or even a spatula to do everything, because this doesn't require any sophisticated machine. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can just use your hand. So right now I'm just going ahead to mash up my bananas. You have to use ripe bananas, and then this doesn't need to be perfect, it just have to be squashed enough, just like baby food, and then it's ready to be added into your butter. So at this point, I like the consistency of my banana, so I'm just going to add it into my butter and then whisk it around for some few seconds. Okay guys, if you have really made it this far into watching my videos, I think you like it. I believe that you like it. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up, because liking this video really helps me a lot. It helps me to get my videos across to other people, because you guys like it, that means it can be recommended to other people. Okay, I think I'm talking too much. Anyways, I'm just going to add about 1 tablespoon of vanilla into this. Give it a stir with my spatula, because at this point, like I said, there's no need for me to use my hand mixer. I'm just going to use my spatula to stir everything together. And into this, I'm going to sieve 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda, and just a pinch of salt into this, and then we are ready to go. Guys, so we are almost at 1K subscribers. Oh my gosh, and it's not even been a year. You guys are really incredible. Like, I'm amazed by your support and everything. So I just want to put it out there, should I actually do a giveaway when I reach my 1,000 subscribers? Because I feel like you guys are the best and you deserve something else from me. So if you are into this giveaway, leave a comment section, let me know. Leave it in the comment section, let me know if I should do it, and then I think I'm gonna do it. Anyway, so after sieving in my flour, baking soda and salt mixture, I'm just using my hand mixer to give this a little mix around. Like I said, at this point you can just use your spatula, but I just use my hand mixer and then to give this a mix around. You do not need to over mix it actually. So at this point you can get fancy. You can add chocolate to it, you can add raisins, you can add what you have, like any nuts that you have, even groundnuts. You can be fancy and then add it into your batter, but I just decided to go plain. So I'm just dividing my batter into my already prepared cake pan. It's important that if you do not have a parchment paper or a baking paper, you just grease your baking pan with butter or margarine and then move or spread it with flour, so that your cake can really come out easily. Yeah, and that's it. So after that, I'm just going to tap it a few times so that my cake can really, or my butter can really arrange itself well in the pan. This is going to go into the oven for about 50 minutes to 1 hour, because yes, it needs time to bake. And after that time, my cake came out perfect. Look at that. It was perfectly risen, perfect. It was everything about it was perfect. And my kitchen smelled like a bakery. Like it's banana infused with vanilla. It's like child. The cake was delicious. So after taking it out of the pan, I just decided to cut it whilst it was still warm, because I mean you don't want to have a cold cake. And then the weather in Ghana, Kumasi precisely, is really really cold these days. So I wanted to have, warm banana cake. So here's to me cutting the cake and sharing it with my brother. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment for a girl. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.